For a 24-year technician in India, the daily struggle is immense. He faces unsolvable vehicle malfunctions, leading to stranded families, heated arguments, and significant loss of time and money. These issues often escalate to police and court involvement, with over 10 lakh vehicle disputes annually. India's 1.3 crore vehicles face chronic diagnostic issues in 4.5 lakh unorganized garages, where diagnostic errors cause 40% repeat visits. This results in 20,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees losses per case, and 15% of mechanics lack proper tools, stranding 5 million vehicles annually. This core problem, costing families 100 billion rupees in downtime, is precisely what FTGS was born to solve. Introducing the solution, the Zooz AI Vehicle Soul. This advanced device, powered by FTGS, is an SAJ2534 compliant OBD2 telematic system. It's a plug-and-play, AI-powered diagnostic tool with GPS and cloud sync, instantly recording over 100 fault codes with 99.9% accuracy. This is a significant leap from manual diagnostics, which only achieve 60% accuracy and fail to detect 80% of faults. Zooz unveils India's silent hemorrhage with hard data, starting with the court system. Over 4.77 crore pending cases clog our courts, with vehicle and motor accident cases accounting for 10 to 15% or approximately 50 lakh cases. This backlog costs 150 billion to 200 billion rupees annually in administrative and judicial time. Zooz provides irrefutable digital evidence, eliminating manipulation and clearing 20% of this backlog. Speeding contributes to over 70% of road fatalities, resulting in 1.14 lakh deaths in 2022 alone. Current enforcement costs 50 billion rupees, yet only 32 billion rupees in fines are collected against a potential 400 billion rupees. Zooz makes physical speed cameras redundant. With our customizable cloud, government authorities can automatically reduce vehicle speed in sensitive areas like schools. This saves countless lives and crores in enforcement infrastructure, obsoleting to lakh physical cameras, a 100 billion rupees infrastructure. Used car fraud impacts 75 lakh cars sold in 2023, with 25 to 30% having odometer tampering, leading to 75 billion to 110 billion rupees in losses. Insurance fraud, including odometer manipulation and staged accidents, accounts for 12 to 15% of 1.22 trillion rupees premiums, totaling 150 billion to 180 billion rupees in losses. Police spend 20 to 25% of their time on traffic and vehicle cases, equating to 5 crore hours annually and a 120 billion rupees manpower cost. Fleets suffer 250 billion rupees losses from 7 to 10% fuel inefficiency and theft, while fuel theft alone costs 120 billion to 150 billion rupees annually. Road safety issues lead to a staggering 12 trillion rupees economic loss annually, 4% of India's GDP. Government oversight suffers from data gaps, costing 80 billion rupees in policy errors, and RTO fraud leads to 100 billion rupees in evasion. In total, these 10 sectors face 1.2 trillion to 1.5 trillion rupees in losses. Now, witness the FTGS ecosystem in action. Our operations hub monitors over 1 million vehicles in real time, providing powerful backend support. The user-friendly process is simple. A quick OBD2 plugin taking just 2 minutes. Then, the mobile app syncs, speaking the user's mother tongue with support for 14 Indian languages. Finally, the 5-year Zooz Digital Vehicle Passport is issued, an immutable record that prevents cheating and saves valuable court time by 70%. This is a call for a digitalized future and a financial revolution. Zooz is a cornerstone of Digital India and Vision 2047. This is not an expense, it is an investment. Digitalizing the vehicle sector with Zooz will unlock over 1 trillion rupees in economic value through efficiency, fraud prevention, and reduced administrative burden. It's an ROI of 110, where 10,000 rupees per device saves 1 lakh rupees per sector. This will create a safer India, cutting fatalities by 30%, saving 50,000 lives annually. FTGS is the solution for the vehicle sector, leading to a more transparent and economically robust India.